voting for Yoruba land, Oduduwa nation. We've got the ballot boxes, the Oduduwa, Biafra, and the Janjaweed box, which they call the zoo. But nobody is behind the zoo box. Everybody voting now. Voting for Oduduwa. And for Oduduwa now. Everybody's voting for Oduduwa and for Biafra. Nothing for the zoo. No one's been there for the zoo. No one is. The Fulani man has been begging people to come and vote for Nigeria, but people are saying no. That's how hungry people are. So it's time for you to get here. Yeah, that's it.
Sorry, boss. I'm coming around.
It's petition now. Go and sign for your petition. Nobody is going for the zoo. Biafra now, Oduduwa now. Biafra now, Oduduwa now. Oduduwa is going up. We take to gra.
Let me see your Nigeria. Let me see.
People are voting for Biafra and they're voting for Oduduwa. No one has been at the jungle box. Nigeria is a jungle, Nigeria is a zoo. Biafra now, Oduduwa now. Nigeria is dead. Look at the Janjaweed. Look at it. Look at it's the only one there. The rapist, the one that kidnaps. Yeah.